The Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic variants of the Galaxy Watch 6 series were announced during Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event. Although the Watch 6 Classic is the least costly, there is not much of a price difference between it and the Watch 5 Pro. The price of a 43mm Watch 6 Classic is $400, while a 47mm version begins at $430. The Classic model is sold at conventional merchants, whereas LT variants are available via your favorite carrier. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro from Samsung has a similar quality style to the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, but it has more advanced functions. It has a titanium casing and sapphire crystal display cover, which give it a more opulent feel and less weight than the stainless steel case of the Watch 6 Classic. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic includes a new processor called the Exynos W930, while the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro has the W920. In addition, the Watch 6 Classic has 2GB of RAM, compared to 1.5GB in the Watch 5 Pro, which theoretically makes it somewhat quicker and more powerful. Don't anticipate large advantages, however, annual CPU changes often lead to performance improvements that may not be appreciably obvious to end users. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will soon get an upgrade to the new software, although the Watch 6 Classic ships with the most recent Wear OS 4 Base 1 UI 5 watch software at launch. The Watch 6 Classic will be supported until 2027, while the Watch 5 Pro's support will stop after 2026 thanks to Samsung's commitment to provide 4 years of significant software upgrades. Both watches can record different workouts, but the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro offers more outside functions like GPS mapping for cycling and trekking rather than running. For those worried about smartwatch battery life, the Watch 5 Pro offers the largest capacity ever in a Galaxy Watch with 590 mAh lasting about 2 days with continuous or falling short of the rated 80-hour life. However, the Watch 5 Pro is more advanced in this aspect compared to the Watch 6 Classic, making it the preferred Galaxy Watch for adventurous people. The Watch 6 Classic, on the other hand, has a battery that is rated for a maximum of 40 hours with the always-on display turned off or 30 hours with it on. It has a 300 mAh battery for the 43mm version and a 425 mAh battery for the 47mm variant. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.